Hello viewers, today we'll be doing question number 16. It says, find the coefficient of the sixth term in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion of this. And we have the options given to us. Now to do this, we need to use the general form for binomial distribution or binomial expansion that says that we have a plus b to the power of n. So for the general form, we have summation k equals to 0 to n. Here we have n combination k, a to the power of n minus k. And here we have b to the power of k. So this is the binomial distribution. And now in our case here, we have t k plus 1 for the sixth term to be equals to n choose k. We have specific value of k. Okay, a to the power of n minus k and b to the power of k. Now, if you have a look at this, it's the same thing with this. Okay, so we want to make sure the coefficients are equivalent. From here, a is the same thing as 1. So we have a to be 1, and here we have b to be negative 3 over 4. b is going to be negative 3 over 4. And here, n is going to be 9. So here my n is 9. Don't forget, we are working with a sixth term. So that shows that here we are interested in T6. That is k plus 1 equals to 6. Equivalently, my k is the same thing as 5. Now let's plug in these values into this given equation. Now to do that, here we have tk plus 1, which is the same thing as T6, to be equals to n choose k. n is 9 combination k, which is 5. A is 1. So n minus k is 9 minus 5. B is negative 3 over 4 to the power of k, which is 5. Let's simplify further. Here we have the sixth term to be equals to 9 combination 5. If you do that, we have 9 combination 5 to be 1 to 6. 1 to the power of 9 minus 5 is still going to be 1. So this is gone. Times negative 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 is going to be 2, 4, 3. Don't forget the negative sign is going to be maintained. 4 to the power of 5. 4 to the power of 5. We have that to be 1, 0, 2, 4. So this is what we've got. Now, let's simplify further. 126 times 243. Or you can divide by 2 if you want. If you divide this by 2 here, you have 63 times negative 243. And if you divide this by 2, we have 5, 1, 2. Now let's multiply 63 times 243. So here my calculator is showing me that here we have negative 15309 divided by 512. So this is the answer to the lowest term. This is the answer to the lowest term. And if you look at that here, 15309 over 512. So the answer should be option A. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to see question number 17. See you next time. Bye.